Today I'm going to teach you how to combine two lists with Mailchimp. This is incredibly useful when you want to consolidate your contacts from different sources into one master list, making your email campaigns more streamlined and easier to manage. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign in to your existing account. If you don't have an account yet, click on Create an Account and follow the prompts to set up your profile and enter your business details. This initial setup ensures that Mailchimp can tailor its features to your specific needs. After signing in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand menu and click on Audience. This is where all your contact management happens and where you'll access the tools needed to combine your lists. An expanded menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Audience Dashboard. This takes you to a comprehensive view of all your audience data and settings. Once you're on the Audience Dashboard page, direct your attention to the top right corner. Here you'll find a button labeled Manage Audience. Click on the drop-down arrow next to it, and from the selection that appears, choose View Audience. This step is crucial as it gives you access to all your individual lists. You'll now be directed to your Audience List page. Here you can see all your lists along with their current contact counts and email subscribers. You'll also notice useful metrics like email open rates and click rates for each contact list. This overview helps you understand which lists are most active and engaged. Now, to combine these two lists, start by selecting the one you wish to be the base list. Do this by clicking the checkbox on the left side of that list. Then click on the Manage Audience drop-down again, and this time select Combine Audiences. This is the feature that will merge your lists together. A Combine Audience window will appear on your screen. From here, you need to select the other contact list you wish to combine with your base list. Click on the drop-down arrow to see your available lists and make your selection. Once you've chosen the second list, click Next to proceed. Mailchimp also gives you the option to add an indication to the newly added contacts by assigning them a group tag. For example, you might label them as imported from list 2. This is helpful for tracking where contacts originated from and for future segmentation. After adding your tag, click Next again. Now for the final step, carefully read through the combine list information that Mailchimp provides. This summary ensures you understand what's about to happen. Mailchimp also offers you the option to back up and download these lists before combining, which is a smart precaution in case you need to reference the original lists later. Once you've reviewed everything and you're ready to proceed, type in Confirm in the text field, then click on Combine Audiences. Your lists are now merged into one comprehensive audience. And that's it. You've successfully combined two lists in Mailchimp, creating a single, unified audience for your email marketing campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.